Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a huge home and Easter haul. The other day I went to my local shopping center to get things for the boys' Easter baskets and I couldn't believe how much adorable stuff was in the shops. I got so much to show you guys, literally from Primark, Poundland, B&M, Dunelms, a few bits from H&M Home, Next as well. Like I've got quite a lot to show you here, so I can't wait. But before I do, I did want to let you know that today's video is a collab with another YouTuber, Rosie Henshaw. If you haven't seen her before, definitely check her out. She is also doing a haul, like an Easter haul. She's gone to Hobbycraft and a few other shops as well, but she always finds really good things. A lot of her videos are hauls, like she goes to Poundland, B&M, all of those places. She also does really good like ASOS hauls and try-ons as well, and I think you guys will really like her. She's also a mum. She's got 4 kids that she makes it look really easy, to be honest, and she's just got the most sunny personality. I love her videos because they're like really like unedited and raw, and she's just like, I love the finds. Like she finds really cool things in like charity shops as well, and she's just a lovely lady. She's also in Essex, where I live, so definitely go and check her out. I'll link her channel in the description down below. You can see her video and tell her I sent you, say hi, subscribe while you're there, all of that good stuff. But yeah, with all that said, I think I will start with the things that I got from Primark, because that is actually where I got the boys' Easter baskets. I decided to get them these Easter baskets this year. These are literally just storage baskets from Primark. So they are like a rope storage basket. They were £7 each. And what I liked about them is they're a really good size, but also we can use these for the boys' Easter baskets, and then I can use them as really nice storage for my linen closet. That's the idea. So I know they don't look like very Eastery at the moment, but I have got things to make them like a bit more exciting for the kids, like some decorations and bits. And yeah, I thought it would be like a really good way to like repurpose them. So I got 3 of those. And then also in the Primark Home section, Primark Home just in general had so many nice bits in it. But I really liked this wreath for Easter. It was £8. It's got like a wicker frame. It's got little bunny ears here and some flowers on it. But last year, I don't know if you guys saw, but I made like a spring wreath. I did a DIY and I have quite a few of those flowers left over. So I was thinking I could actually add some in with like a hot glue gun and really like zhuzh it up, make it look a bit fuller as well. And then yeah, I think it would just be perfect. So I also got that in Primark. And then some bath bombs for the boys' Easter baskets. They're only £1 each, and they just had really cute colors. I got like an avocado one, and then these 2 little bath bombs. Like my boys, they still love a good old bath bomb. And the only other thing that I got in Primark were these fluffy plants. So I don't know if you can see that, but these were actually in quite a few of the stores. I went into Dunelms before I went to Primark, and they also had these, but they were £50 each, and I just couldn't justify getting 2 of them because I wanted to put them on my porch on either side of the door. But in Primark, they were £12, and they're a little bit smaller, but still like the same effect. So I was really pleased with them as well. So I got 2 of those, and I'll try and show you how I'm thinking of setting up like our spring porch this year. Next up, I'll show you what I got in Poundland. Poundland is always such a good place to go for things like Easter baskets, stockings, etc. They had a really cute little Easter arts and crafts to do for the kids. So I got them each one of these little like paint your own sets. So you get like a little clay egg cup or Easter egg, and then you get 3 little paints to paint it with, and the paintbrush and everything, obviously all for £1. So I got one of those for each of the boys' baskets. Then I also got a few other bits for the 2 younger ones. I found it difficult this year because my eldest, he's 11, and I was like, what should I put in his Easter basket that isn't chocolate? So I feel like he's growing out of like these things. But they had these Easter activity books. So in them, there's like pages of coloring and stuff, but there's also stickers and things to do. So I thought that would be great, like on Easter itself, to like entertain the kids. Then I also got a couple packs of stickers. here, but they're like the foamy stickers, so they're like a little bit puffy. So I thought that could also go in their Easter baskets. And I also got some little character eggs for decoration. There was so much stuff like this in Poundland. Like if you have to do an Easter bonnet, definitely go in there because there were so many little chicks and decorations like that. So I got this one. I also got some new little wicker baskets from there for actually collecting eggs on the day that we do like an Easter egg hunt. They're really sturdy. So I got 3 of those. I also got some of like the paper shred filler for their Easter baskets themselves. So I got them in 3 different colors. I got yellow and I got blue and then I got green as well, because I was thinking that way hopefully we'll know like whose baskets are who, like on the day when they get them. But yeah, there was a load. They actually had baskets in there as well, so you could obviously buy that and then fill it with this and then fill it with like all the bits in there. You could probably get everything in there. They even had chocolate, but I felt like Poundland had a really good selection of like non-chocolate items like the arts and crafts, and like they had little stuffed bunnies and everything, but I just felt like our kids have so many stuffed toys, so I didn't get anything like that. Next up, I think I'll show you what I got in Homesense. So I went in there for a few little decorations, and obviously we're renovating at the moment, so I'm not massively decorating for Easter. And to be honest, I'm not the type of person who decorates for every single holiday. Like I don't really decorate for Valentine's Day or anything like that, but Easter I do. Like you can get so many cute things, and like the kids do get really excited. So I got this little like wire watering can from Homesense, and it's filled with Easter eggs, and I just thought it was really cute. I can't find a price on it though. Then I also saw this, and I just thought it was like really nice and plain white, but it's shiny. It also lights up. Let me see if I can show you. And I was thinking this would be really good, like because we're still choosing all the decor we're gonna have. This is like really neutral. It will go with anything. At the moment, I'm gonna put it on our fireplace, and it was $5.99. It is like porcelain sort of material. And then I also got another like plain white bunny that you can actually put like a decorative egg on. And I just thought that was really cute and that the kids would really like it as well. And then also in Homesense, I found more of these plants as well, but they were selling them like as individuals for $3.99. So I bought 3 more because I was thinking I could add them to the ones that I bought from Primark and just bulk them out a little bit. So I'll see how that goes, if I can kind of like glue them on or like attach them in some way. Only other thing that I got in Homesense was this rug. So I was looking for Spring Porch inspiration on Pinterest, and a lot of the Spring Porches had like a rug, and then on top of the rug they had like a doormat. So this was on sale for just £4. It is really quite wide, and it's almost like a baby blue chevron. So I thought that I would get that, and then that could lie on our porch, and then a doormat on top of that. And I've actually got 2 to choose from, which I need your help deciding. But that is the plan. While we're talking about doormats, I might as well show you the 2 that I got from Next. This is all that I got from Next. But they had such a good selection of doormats. So this one I thought was really different, quite like eye-catching. So it looks like tiles, and it just says hello, and it's almost like a wipe clean mat. So it's like not gonna like soak up all the dirt like say the other one that I've got here will. But I just thought that that might look really, really cool on the porch. So I'm gonna test both of them out. Hopefully I'll put an overlay here for you guys. And that first one was £12. And then this one was £18. It's definitely a lot thicker, a lot more sturdy. And it says hello in grey. I thought it was just really nice, really simple. That's kind of the look that I was going for, because I feel like all of this, like I didn't want to go like too Easter on the doormat as well. But let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think this one Or do you think the tile one? I'll try and show you it in situ as well. Then I popped into Dunelms and I actually was looking for this and I found it, so I was really, really pleased. It's a sheepskin shearling rug. It's not huge or anything. It is literally this wide. It's really, really soft and fluffy. It was £39.99, I think. And I bought this and then I went into Primark and I saw they had them for actually £10. It definitely didn't feel as thick or as nice as this one, but there is like a cheaper option in Primark. But the reason that I got this is because my friend has one of these just on her floor as the dog bed. So her dog just sleeps on that. It looks super cozy when she is sleeping on that. And I thought that would be perfect for Kiki. We have quite a few dog beds, but I was thinking when we like have the extension and like, I don't know, like in that area, I just thought it would look really nice to just have one of these on the floor that she can like snuggle up on. So I'm excited to see what she thinks of it, but I just loved the color. They had a few different grays, but this was more of like a stone gray. I still have so much to show you guys from B&M, but before I do, I wanted to show you a couple of bits that I got from H&M Home, and I'm so pleased with them. I got these bumpy vases, and I was really excited when I found them because there's a local shop to me. It's like a lifestyle and home shop, and they sell these like bumpy vases and bowls and like decorative things, and I really like them, but they're quite pricey in that shop. But when I went into H&M, they had pretty much the same ones, and this was £10 and this larger one was £17.99. So this was like a really beautiful green color, and I was actually thinking about maybe putting this on the porch with, let me show you. So I got two of them. I may return them, I'm not sure, but I was thinking that this would be great for this. Let me know what you think. I don't know if that's really random, but I just thought it might work. If not, equally, I love the way that they look. And in our new kitchen, we're gonna have quite a few new shelves. And I thought that this would look really nice, either with like some flowers, like faux flowers coming out of it, or in H&M, sounds random, but they had like some tall candles coming out of it. And it did look really, really nice. So I'm just really, really pleased with this. I'll show you the stuff that I got from B&M. A lot of this is Easter focused as well. So the first thing is this little set of Easter decorations. It was just £3, and obviously we're renovating at the moment. We're not doing like some kind of huge decor, but I thought that this would be perfect. It's just bunting and then some cute little, what's it called, like honeycomb decorations. So we hung it up today with the kids and they were really excited about, like Jackson was helping me and stuff. And I just thought for £3, it's just like a nice little like thing to add to our front room. That's kind of like, it's Easter, but we're not going like too crazy. Also, the bunting came like pre-threaded and like all ready to go, which is such a bonus because sometimes you have to spend loads of time threading it all through. And then I also got this little crafty thing. It is create your own egg character. So it's really cute because it's actually in an egg box, and then inside it has everything that you're gonna need to make some little egg characters. And I think that Jackson will just love that. So I'm gonna put this in his Easter basket. This was £3. Then for Caleb, I got him a skipping rope from B&M. That was £2.50. And then I also got a giant bubble set, which I just think that they will love. This was £3. I don't know if I'm going to put it in their Easter basket or just let them play with it like during the Easter holidays, but I thought that they would just love that. It's like really, really big wands. Then I also got some chalk, which they can use on the drive. Our drive will be changing at some point, but obviously chalk will wash off anyway. But I just loved how giant they were. I was thinking I could even put like 2 of each into their baskets, or 3 of each even. But yeah, it's giant chalk, and that was £3.99. So I'm hoping now that the weather's a bit nicer, that could keep them entertained for quite a while. They could like draw hopscotch or whatever. I used to love to do that like as a kid. And I also got this little baking Easter set, which I thought was really sweet. You get a spatula and then also a cookie cutter, which is a bunny shape. And this I was going to put into Caleb's basket. He loves baking and cooking, so I thought that that would be perfect for him, and that was £3. So I also got these really cute little decorative chicks for £2. I thought that I could put some in their basket, but also we could like decorate at home with them, or if they have to do anything for school like an Easter bonnet or anything, we could definitely use these. Then I got quite a few little bits of chocolate for their Easter basket. Normally I'll just get the boys like one big egg and a few little bits for their Easter basket, and that is it, because they also get Easter eggs from like family, so like from their aunts and uncles and their nan and stuff as well. But I also got these little, have you ever tried these? They're like the quick milk straws. So basically you can put this straw into like any glass of milk and it will flavor it to be like chocolate milk, strawberry milk. What else did we get in this? We got banana milk. But I thought if I put a couple of these in their Easter baskets, honestly, they will be so excited about this. Then I got each of them a 5-pack of Cadbury's cream eggs, which of course Matt and I will help them with. But then I also got Matt this for Easter. It is a whole tin of Cadbury's cream eggs. These are his absolute favorite. There's a big joke at our house. Once Matt ate 6 in a row. Can you believe that? So I doubt these will last very long, but I got that from Matt's Easter egg. Then I also got a lint bunny for Fraser, and then I actually got Kinder bunnies for the 2 younger ones, because I thought that they will just love that there is a toy included in it. Then I also got these little lint bunnies, which you can actually break up. Can you see that? You can actually like take them apart. So I'm gonna put like one in each person's basket, maybe eat some myself. And then I also got a little set like this for each boy. So just a few little like eggs in there. And then I also got them, like especially Jackson is gonna go crazy for this. I got them like a Ryan's World egg. So these 2 have putty in it, so I was going to give that to Caleb and Fraser because they love like any kind of fidget toy. And then I also got like a Ryan's what is this, a Ryan squishy figure for Jackson's Easter egg basket as well, so I think that he will love that. I also did get some little packs of mini eggs. I don't know if I'm going to put it in their baskets or if we'll use it like in the lead up for like baking or just like during the Easter holidays, but I also got those as well. And then I did get them each a large Easter egg, which is actually in the car. I just got them their favorite chocolate. So for Fraser, he got crunchy, Matt's dairy milk. I got one for Jackson and one for Caleb. I can't even remember right now. Let me know in the comments below which thing is your favorite, and definitely let me know what you think of the spring porch. I really don't know if it's gonna work or if it's really not. Yeah, but I think that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Rosie's video as well. I will link it in the description. And yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.